Mga kaibigan, just to continue, it's all about, no? It's all about life. It's all about the living things of this universe. That why we are here. Why we are walking, why we are in this universe, mga kaibigan. Did you know, mga kaibigan, that from the Quran and the Bible of the Christians and many books out there, and the scientists said, and the geneticists said, mga kaibigan, it is all about the human. It is all about the living things as a human body. Why we are walking, why we are moving in this universe. Did you know, mga kaibigan, that the man adult or the human adult body is consisting, that Allah said, consisting for how many billions of cells, how many trillions of cells? 5 trillions higher, 5 billions higher, 300 millions higher than higher, mga kaibigan. Did you know that the human adult body is consisting for, as a whole, is 30 trillion. 30 trillions human cells, mga kaibigan. Did you imagine how God created us? Did you imagine with that? That Allah said, and also in the other Bible, like Christians, but in the Quran, they are very stated in the Quran, mga kaibigan, that the human adult body as a average, there is a 30 trillion cells in the human adult body. How Allah well footed in the Quran. And also I read for some in the Christians' Bibles and also stated out there, mga kaibigan. And also, we have, as a human adult average, mga kaibigan, we have called a bacterial cells. As to the scientists say, as a average, we have also a 38 trillion bacterial cells as a whole in the human body. How Allah or any of us created this, mga kaibigan. It is the human body why we are moving about that, mga kaibigan. And also as a whole in the human body, Allah said in the Quran, we have for almost 200 types of different cells in the whole human body. So mga kaibigan, that is all about talking about, it is not called the science, but it is why God put it us. And Allah said, in the human brain, how many billions of cells in the human body? It is more things. It is so glad. It is so happy. When the time or when the moment you will be born or conceived from your mother's womb, in our mother's womb, that the only cells that never been die, mga kaibigan, is only the brain cells. The brain cells is consisting for 171 billion cells that never been die, mga kaibigan. When the moment that we are conceived by our mother on this universe. How God created us. That's why love our parents, especially your mother, our mother, mga kaibigan. And also there is consisting also for 86 billions neurons. It is a connected or it is a electric impulses to the human brain cells, mga kaibigan. That's why we can move, we can talk, we can take everything, and also think about why we are here in this universe, and retains all the memories Like what happened to the scientists. Like for example, Albert Einstein, more that mga kaibigan. And also, mga kaibigan, my dear brother and sister of this universe, Allah said also in the Quran, is very, I do not know, I am not Islam, but before I am Balik Islam in Zamboanga. But I do not read the whole Quran, but I read it mga kaibigan. It's so interesting because they are put it all in the Quran. And also because Christian's Bible, it's very thick from the Quran, no? Baga siya. And also mga kaibigan, in the Quran, Allah said that there are about millions of cells. The old millions of cells will die every day. And every seconds. They are stated in the Quran. That the old cells will die every day and the newborn cells every day. In every seconds. 2 to 3 million cells are died every seconds, and then new cells every day are born. In every seconds also. How great God created us. How Allah to say about that, mga kaibigan. Just read it. If you are an Islam, you know about this. If you are a Christian, you know about this. You read it, the Bible. What is the most powerful numbers in the Bible, in the Quran, and many others, mga kaibigan. So, thank you so much to all my sisters and brothers, to all my followers around the world. That is all about that I am being read, mga kaibigan. So, that's why, for me, I am so glad, I am so happy that I am here, mga kaibigan, to be with you. Mga kaibigan, with all due respect, in different types of religions, cultures, traditions, and custom and traditions, and cultural traditions, with all due respect around the world. From here in the Philippines, good morning.